So okay, the first I'm gonna use is celery stalk. So I'm gonna use all this celery because I don't have any in my fridge right now. So I'm gonna make use of all this. I'll start by cutting it. I'll just add it straight to the plate. So I washed it before cutting it, okay? So this is, I'm gonna set it aside. So the next thing we need is our cucumber. I'm gonna make use of this one cucumber. I've washed it already, it's clean, okay? So I'm gonna add everything in the same plate. I'll just add the cucumber. So guys, this is cucumber and celery. So the next I'm gonna add for this, is lemon. I'm gonna make use of 2 lemons for this. I'm gonna make use of 2 lemons in this recipe. This is the second lemon. So I'll just cut it and add it straight to the plate. I'll add it straight to the plate. I'll just add everything straight to the plate. So this is cucumber, So this is celery, cucumber and lemon. So there is one thing I'm gonna add to this. I'll just add a little bit ginger to it because I always like ginger. You can never go wrong with ginger, guys. You know me in this channel now. You can't go wrong with ginger. I'll just add a little ginger. So this is the ginger. I'll cut it and add it straight to the plate. So this is the ginger. I'll add it straight to the plate. So guys, we have ginger, cucumber, celery and lemon. That's what we have here. Okay,